Hello, this is Jimenez again. Recently came to my attention the following problem in artificial intelligence. It is the problem in supervised learning for computer vision of making an optimal system, meaning as small as possible, by means of PCA. Gradient descent is an iterative optimization algorithm for finding a local minimum of a differentiable function. In computer vision, convergence of gradients of the neural network is key for a successful system, and there are different algorithms for adjusting the conversion of neurons, sometimes unfortunately leading to a big system impossible to deploy. For deploying an optimal system, feasible to implement by means of dimension reduction, the preparation of data for the training is the most important issue. Principal component analysis, also called PCA, is a key issue for making an optimal computer vision system. The problem is defined as follows. Given a collection of points in 2, 3, or higher dimensional space, find the best fitting line that minimizes the average squared distance from a point to the line. Then it hit me that in geodesic analysis, PCA exists and is possible to use in dimension reduction. Checking at the existing literature, I noticed probabilistic geodesic analysis is already used in computer vision, however, is not popular due to its difficulty. During my stay in the year 2008 at Toyota Motor Corporation, in the R&D facilities of the headquarters, while participating with the GPS group, I worked with this geodesic analysis method, so it was not difficult to me making again an algorithm and computer program including this PCA method. On the screen, you can see a sample of my program in Python language. It calculates GPS positioning of a receiver and implements PCA. The program works like this. Based on the three-dimensional cardinality of GPS satellites visible in the sky, I can limit the number of satellites based on the distance to the receiver, and with this, eliminate the noise due to the long distance, increase accuracy by finding the best fitting, and optimizing the system. You can see on the screen the GPS satellites selection with PCA. You can see one example result of the receiver position on the screen. The best fitting line is evident when implementing the PCA method of probabilistic geodesic analysis. The adaptation of the PCA method to work for computer vision is straightforward. Thank you very much for your attention to my video.